Hey guys, it's Al with techmadeezy, and if you saw my first video on the new 3-gallon wet dry vac from Ego, well, you weren't happy and I wasn't happy. I also found out there are a lot of people out there that are not happy because they have a defective 3-gallon wet dry vac. Some of them just want to use tape and use the product, which I think is unacceptable because this product just came out and it is from a major company. Yes, Ego, and I love them and I'm a fan for sure. I go out and buy all this stuff on my own dime and I love it and I review it. Well guys, in this video I went out and bought a second one, a brand new one, and we're going to open it up and see if it has the same issue. That's all I'm going to do. So let's go ahead and check this out. All right, guys, there it is, all shiny and new. Let me pull that out real quick, and then we'll do this check. All right, so it's out. Here's a new one. That's the old one. I'm going to take the old hose for a minute, and I'm going to try to just put it in the blower side. Now, the blower side in my video was tight, like this one is actually. So this actually locks in place. It will not come out. You know, it actually locks in place. So the question is, will this lock in the front? And if it doesn't, I'm going to try that hose. Again, I try everything to make your life easy because if you're going to spend money, then you want to know what you're using works. So let me take this out. I'm going to pull this out, turn this, put it in. And no, it doesn't lock. It doesn't lock. It's loose. That one locks. You know, I mean, it doesn't click lock, but it locks. Like this one, if you turn it real tight, I mean, and you're using it, you know, I mean, right now it doesn't seem like an issue, but when you're really pulling on this in the vehicle, mine came out twice. I was able to catch it once on a video, but it came out twice. I'll show you the clip real quick so you can see what I'm talking about. So guys, you could see that. I was using it and it fell right out. Now, this is the old hose and this is the new hose. So I'm trying to see, is there a difference? First of all, in the hoses themselves, old and new. So they look the same. I don't see any difference on the thickness of these areas and stuff. Now I'm going to take this new one. I'm going to put it in and turn it. And again, it's still not tight enough for it not to come out. Now again, you know, I love my viewers and my subscribers and stuff. I've had multiple people just put tape on it and move away, move on the road. I'm like, are you kidding me? You spent $250. Why should you have to do that? You know, I mean, I guess you have that much money that you could just put tape on it and be fine with it, but people are buying product made from a major company, and this shouldn't happen. And you know what's weird about all this? I just did a video on the Ego Nexus power station, and it was my luck that I actually had one that wouldn't charge dead batteries. Think about that. Brand new 1400 watt Ego Nexus power station. And if you were buying this and that was all you had, was that power station and those 2 batteries, well, you were up the creek, because when I put the 2 dead batteries on the power station, it wouldn't charge it. It wouldn't. So I've been working with Ego on either getting a replacement or getting money back. I'll have a follow-up video soon, but that's the video if you want to see it. Again, I don't know what's going on with quality control, but that is the video to the Ego Nexus testing that I did. And what I'll do is I'll actually put the word Nexus in the upper right-hand corner in a second, and you can click on that and watch that video. I'll also put it in the video description. But here's the word Nexus if you want to check out that video and see what I was talking about. So guys, disappointed. Disappointed. Still doesn't work, you know. And again, at the end of the day, it's interesting. It works on the side. You just put this in, you turn it, and then it actually like clicks in. It grabs it. It's not going anywhere. This is not coming out. You really have to use force to actually turn it to the left. So whatever they did here, they should have did there, but they didn't. And I'm not using tape. Sorry, guys. Bad, you know, recommendation. All right. Anyway, guys, I hope this stuff helps you guys in making your purchase. I'll put the link for this in the video description if you decide you want it, but I don't recommend that you get it right now. They need to fix that. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching our video. I sure hope you found it helpful. And if you did, give us a thumbs up. We'd appreciate that. I'm going to go ahead and put our social media up on top if you want to follow us, and you'll be able to subscribe to our channel by clicking this round Tech Made Easy logo. Guys, thank you so much and have a wonderful day.